Hi everyone, my name is Furkan. In this video I am going to show you how we can use ASPLC as a server. I created a program in here. Let's open hardware config menu. But first we can look from using manual. These are our usage methods, client or server. In this case we will use server point. Let me show you the hardware config settings in here. This is my IP address of PLC and the socket settings in here. Remote IP will be 0.0.0.0 because we are server. We will accept from any IP addresses as well remote port 0 and local port is 1024. Why we choose this port? For ASPLC, these are already used communication ports. Different from this port is acceptable, so I wrote in here 1024. And the send data is 0. I will not send any data, just I will receive from the client, and the receive address is D100. Let's download this into the ASPLC, and the hardware config is done. Let's save it. I will download the program in here. Okay. Let's go online. For this method, I will use Hercules for the client part. My IP address is from my PLC. Let's check it. And it's connected our system, and the local port, as I said you before, 1024. And uh, let's talk about a little bit from program in here. M0 is the socket open bit in my program. What is sopen? It's open the socket mode with a socket number that we created before in hardware config menu. For this one I created just only one socket, so I will open that, and as a third input, it's here, comes from server or client choice. We will choose 2, and let's go back in here. I will open my socket and let's connect it, and connection is done. So let's close it, and we will see there will be no connection in here. For close part, we just only socket number. I closed, and you can see in here connection is closed. When I try to connect, connection is not successful because the socket is closed already. So let's open the socket in here, and the connection is done. So we can send any data in here. What is this special bit? It's data receive completion bit in here. When the data completion is done, I will move the data source from D100 to D200 so I can update my data. So let's start in here. When we waited until 30 seconds, the connection is closed because socket timeout in here is 30 seconds. Let me show you that part. You can see in here 30 seconds is the timeout for socket. So if there is no receiving data in this duration, the connection will be closed. So let's open socket again here. This is the data we will sending. When I send the data, you can see in here, and let's send another data, and data is written in here. So when we send another string area in this project, it's here. So what is used for? Now ASPLC is server. We can send any data in these 30 seconds. So thanks for watching. See you later.